Our district has been making great strides in improving reading and math for our students.
And we know learning starts right in the home.
We are excited to host the second annual Family Math and Reading Rally right here at Hunter Elementary.
On Saturday, November 1st from 9 a.m. to noon, families of pre-K to third grade students can come here and choose from 10 engaging workshops designed specifically for parents, from practical tips that spark curiosity to strategies that boost learning at home. We've got sessions for every family.
You can choose from sessions like boosting elementary math fluency, unlocking math confidence, and maximizing math and reading practices at home.
And bedtime is the best time. And what do I do with this spelling test?
And while the parents are connecting with each other, the kids will be busy playing and learning too.
We have free childcare for ages 3 and up during the event with snacks, games, and activities to keep our little ones entertained while you explore hands-on workshops.
Whether your child is a pre-K student or already enrolled in first, second, or third grade, this activity-filled event is designed for the whole family.
Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your child's potential and celebrate the joy of learning together.
We can't wait to see you here.